the ranks. What?
Thank you, Fowler.
My RAF days. We were never allowed to waste time with unnecessary chit-chat.
Yes, thank you, Fowler.
Right. Carry on.
Now, I know our last escape attempt was a bit of a fiasco. But Mac and I have come up with a brand new plan. Show 'em, Mac.
Right. We tried going under the wire, and that didn't work. So, the plan is, we go over it. This is us, right? We get in like this, wind up, and let her go!
God, Rick, the turnip's bought it.
You really think I look fat?
Ah, Pumbaa. You're a pig. It's a compliment.
Oh, thank you.
Farmer's coming!
Operation Cover Up!
Huh?
Mr. Tweedy!
Ooh. Ow.
Where are you?
It's all in your head. It's all in your head. It's all in your head.
Think, everyone, think. What haven't we tried yet?
We haven't tried not trying to escape.
That might work. What about Edwina? How many more empty nests will it take?
Well, perhaps it wouldn't be empty if she'd spent more time laying and less time escaping.
So laying eggs all your life and then getting plucked, stuffed and roasted is good enough for you, is it?
It's a living.
You know what the problem is? The fences aren't just round the farm. They're up here, in your heads. There's a better place out there. Somewhere beyond that hill and well, it has wide open spaces and lots of trees and grass. Can you imagine that? Cool, green grass.
Who feeds us?
We feed ourselves.
Well, where's the farm?
There is no farm.
Then where does the farmer live?
There is no farmer, Babs.
Is he on holiday?
He isn't anywhere. Don't you get it? There's no morning egg count, no farmers, no dogs and coops and keys, and no fences.
In all my life, I've never heard such a fantastic load of tripe! Oh, face the facts, ducks. The chances of us getting out of here are 1,000,000 to 1.
Then there's still a chance.